This is Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Thanks for joining us today. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, click that bell icon. That way you get notified when I post new videos. Today we're doing a product review from CampChef. It's their brand new SideKick with a cast iron flat top. Let's get going. As you see behind me, I have a pellet smoker from CampChef. It's their Smoke Pro model with an attached sear station. Great for that infamous reverse sear. Super excited about this brand new SideKick. Not only will it fit this 14-inch cast iron flat top, but a lot of their other 14-inch accessories. Let's get this bad boy attached. We'll see you back soon. As I mentioned earlier, the SideKick comes with a pre-seasoned cast iron flat top and drip tray and fits all of their 14-inch accessories. One of the other cool features and abilities about this SideKick that I'm super excited about is the ability to use stock pots like you see here. This is from CampChef. You can cook things like pasta, seafood, and corn on the cob. Let's show you some of the other accessories that we have available to this new SideKick. One of the accessories is their 14-inch Deluxe Bbq Grill Box. Super light, just place on top of your SideKick. And as you can see there, plenty of room to grill up those burgers and steaks. Another accessory is their 14-inch pizza oven. Not only can you cook amazing pizzas in there, you can also do things like cookies and other baked goods. CampChef thought of everything. The Explorer 2X stovetop burner fits all of their 14-inch accessories, great for camping and that backyard cooking. I'm really looking forward to using the brand new SideKick and the available accessories. I want to thank CampChef for making this possible. You guys for watching this video. I couldn't do it without you. If you guys liked the video, again, make sure you subscribe, click that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.